Welcome to a typical morning here. We've got all our friends. Some have got ants in their pants. It's been a busy morning here, guys. Check this out. We've got all our friends. And here on the left we have Duncan. Then we have Dusty. Then we have Coldplay here. It's all yellow. Our three really shy friends. One keeping an eye on us in the tree. Guys, we're in Melbourne, Australia here. And check out some of these cuties who come visit us every day. Hello. Got a bit of scene stealing going on here. Good morning. Don't slide off. Changing of the guard. Down here someone's very hungry. There's always cockies up top watching who's feeding. Huh. Walking and looking backwards. There's always a couple of dominant ones. But these guys have all had a good snack. Good kickstart to the day. They've had water as well. And these guys love to play. Have a look at this. Sometimes they get hypnotized by the pole. That's right. Good morning. Correct. And they often love to have something to say. Well guys, thank you. It's a quick look at some of our friends who come and visit every morning. Thanks for checking in with them and thanks for checking them out, and we'll catch you on the next one. Stay passionate.